Hey, what's up? Welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. This is the next video about Doogee Y7 Plus. If you missed the first video with unboxing of this phone, then you can find the link in the description. Today we will talk about performance of a new Doogee phone. Is it good for gaming? Let's find out. Doogee Y7 Plus has a lot of memory, 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage with microSD support. Also, there is quite good processor Helio P25. It has a clock speed of 2.5 GHz and 16nm process technology. 6 GB of RAM and Helio P25 chipset should provide good performance. Let's check it. I want to start with benchmarks. Doogee Y7 Plus scores about 85,000 points in AnTuTu. I cannot say that this is too high a result for $200 smartphone, but it is good. Don't forget that this phone has many other features, such as big battery, good cameras, etc. The next benchmark is called GeekBench 4. Here we have 940 points in single-core test and 75 points in multi-core test. Also, I want to test graphics. 3D Mark is the best benchmark for this. As you can see, Doogee Y7 Plus has 108 overall score. Here is the average FPS and temperature. Of course, I didn't forget about Wi-Fi speed, memory speed and GPS. You can see results on your screen. Everything is fine with Doogee Y7 Plus. It's time for my favorite part of the video. As usual, I want to start with PUBG Mobile, because this is the most popular Android game for today. First, let's see the graphics settings. The maximum supported graphics is balanced. In short, this game is playable. I didn't notice any delays or slowdowns. The next game is Asphalt 9. I should test the racing game, because most of you like them. By the way guys, which one is your favorite mobile game? Write in comments below. In the next videos I will play your favorite games. As for Asphalt 9, it runs very well. It seems that the Doogee Y7 Plus doesn't have any problems with any Android games. However, I have the last game for this phone, Shadowgun Legends. I think this is the most demanding Android game. If you don't agree with me, write in comments below which one is more demanding than Shadowgun Legends. Even with this game, Doogee Y7 Plus copes pretty well. Yes, you can notice a little slowdowns when you are shooting, but it is possible to play. So it was performance test of Doogee Y7 Plus. The smartphone has many interesting features, about which we had talked in the previous video. Performance is one of them. The phone has octa-core chipset Helio P25, 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It shows pretty good results in benchmarks and it runs all the games very well. I don't have any cavils to this phone, especially considering its price $200. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.